So there's Joel and me, and we're trying to put a bit in some of these ruts, but it's a drop in the ocean. As you can see, the road. This isn't the worst part. The worst part's up there. But I think you've got to think to the future of this, of at least getting the road regraded and caliche put down on here. Truckloads of caliche. You're probably going to need, I don't know, 40 trucks. You might get a deal. 40 trucks. You might get it for 2,000 a truck. And then they got to lay it down. So we'll see. So you got to think about that, John, because let's say the guys with the drilling ain't going to come back until this road's dry. Okay, John. So here we are, having to clear the tree. And Jose, your guy's got his axe. There's my guy Moy, and Joel is still coming up the bloody road from your house. These two came on a motorbike. I ran, and I got here about 10 seconds after the motorbike. So just sharpening the axe with a file. And this here. They lose these. The amount of these I find in the jungle walking with dogs, it's just incredible. It's like in thousands of years' time, when people find these, they'll be wondering what they are, where they're all over the place in this country. So I got the tiles in the back of the truck as well. So we'll see how they get on with this, because I've got an appointment at 1:30. So it's depending how hard this tree is, I might have to come back tomorrow morning. So you can see we've started the pool as well, and we're taking away all this evil concrete edging to start off with, which is coming out. There's the skimmers. So as you can see, the actual terrace doesn't go all the way to the edge. What's that? So he's doing a good job, the old pipelines in here. But I'm just looking at this here. Hose. A rubber hose. Some of the electrics. No, they haven't done a bad job. So it's coming out. Oh, hi John. So here's the other thing, the house with the grey. I personally think it's going to be better if we paint the whole house white. It's going to look a lot classier, a lot nicer. This sort of like accents of grey, it just draws your attention to, breaks the house up, actually makes the house look a smaller building than it is. So, as long as it's okay with you, I'm going to paint all white. The roof's not white. The roof was originally white, but you can see the colour of the roof is pretty dirty and disgusting. The specialised roof paint we use, it only cut with, this is a Sherwin-Williams product, which I spoke to them the other week about this. It's a bit more expensive than what I was thinking, but it's not a lot. So we'll see how much we need and see if we've got to adjust. But at the moment, I think we'll be okay. So my plan is to do the whole place beautifully white, clean, and then it's easy to maintain. You haven't got to worry about mixing greys and trying to touch them up and patch them. Now the interior, before I said your paint was pretty good, but the more I look at it, ceilings, leakages, and your kitchen, well, that's like, you can see the dirt and the filth. That's like the only problem with the kitchen is it's been painted at some stage by a semi-gloss. But you can see it was white one day, and then it's sort of like a pretty nasty colour. So again, if it's okay with you, in the bedroom upstairs I checked as well, and the paint jobs in there are not the best in the world. You can see got a lot of the water ingress coming down all on the ceiling. Ah, who are you? This is a new little Perro. This is Moy's little friend. See how small he is. He's not even as big as your foot. dashing around. Yeah, hi John. Yeah, so we're trying the roof, but the roofs are that filthy. This is, it's like years and years of soil and crap, and of course the chlorine is, as you can see, makes a difference, but we need water, and of course we ain't got bloody water. So this is going to have to wait a bit. He's brushing it, but it's going to take a month or so. I've got a Honda pressure washer at home, which was the idea of using this, but we ain't got any water, so it's somewhat creating a bit of a problem because we've got such a large roof space. To do it all by hand is just crazy. So we've got to get the water. Just pray for some sun. And today you can see it's overcast. It hasn't rained yet, which is a blessing. We just pray we get some more days, and then hopefully towards the end of the week we can start getting some caliche down if it doesn't rain. It's like a catch-22 job, isn't it? If we've got no water, I can't do the work. We can do the inside, of course, but the roof is that filthy. You know, we've got them wasps there, Dave. Just got to get rid of them. It's that filthy, the roof, which we're never going to sort it out. You know, Joel's doing his best, but that ain't going to work because we've got to clean it, otherwise the paint won't adhere. Hi John, yeah, just so you see, the guys have started to clean and grade the road, you know, so they're taking the stuff down. I've got a shift because they're doing it from the top, so I've just got to go. Okay, but they've started. Morning John. So as you can see, the roof is, and I tell you, it's taken some bloody cleaning. This roof has, God knows how many gallons of bleach we've used on it, and soap and everything. We've had to clean it by hand because there's not enough water for the pressure washer. So these guys have been scrubbing this like a couple of washerwomen with brushes and stuff. And you know, you can see how filthy it was before and how clean it is now. Getting ready for painting. They're filling various areas. It was the same colour as the roof over there, look. Filling, and then they're getting ready for painting. But you know, they've done a good job on what they're doing. The gutters here, they're brushing all these out, and then we're going to put the product in it. But so far, it's all going good. So they've painted basically the whole house, as you can see. Just didn't work touching up, so I just told them to paint the lot, so which they did. So they've painted everything. I've got cleaning stuff for your maid to do some clean. My guys have cleaned, so as you can see, it's pretty clean what they've done. So we've painted all the bathrooms, they've brushed everything out. So it's all looking good. So your maid's really just got to titivate, clean the stairs. So we basically painted the whole of the inside. I didn't touching up, we didn't do it. We just did the whole lot. As you can see, did the bedroom, the bathroom, and now I'm just waiting for my other guy. He's coming up and he's going to be tiling the kitchen. These are the tiles we got. These are slightly nicer than the other ones, same sort of design, but these are a wall tile rather than the other one was a floor tile, so it's a nicer design. And then the floors, managed to get some stone and we've put it in, so we've just got to fill and then we've got to polish with a machine. Okay, so yeah, there's the kitchen. I've got to get the piece of wood for that. This area here, we've put damp stop on this 2 or 3 times and done it. This area, this is where you got the major leak outside coming in, so we've filled that up, but the walls are very wet, so it's going to be, you know, months before this is actually taken out. And so the damp stop we've used, and you can still see the damp is coming through damp stop, but there's not a lot I can do about that unless we start to cut out all the cement in the wall, which we're, it's going to be more trouble than it's worth. But yeah, it looks a lot better without these columns. Looks good. Hi Miguel. Yeah, with this tiling, the guy's tiled to the edge of the wall here. So, he's got to match it by putting tiles on this part of the wall here. And, this is all he's done. Why is he tiling up to this stupid fucking height? I don't know. There's no tiles here. I've come to fit the kitchen back today. The guys come here on Tuesday. This is crazy. Lakaya. Okay, so the pool is coming on, all the Carolina is going down, as you can see. The guys are working really hard, and terrace, and there's the bull nose going on there, and then we've got the infinity edge coming round here, which slopes down. And so we're really just waiting to get this finished, get the tiles on, and get water to the project. The well guys can't come up here, so we've really got no water. They've got to redo this, but it's looking excellent. The house is looking great. As you can see, we've painted it inside and out, done the walls, so that's looking really good. Okay, so this is the pool with the terrace. Everything's looking very sexy, and we can see that we're all ready to start getting the mushrooms in. They've filled that, they've got to polish it. As you can see, all the grout is here. Still got to do the steps down here. This area here, it's got to be done. It's all looking excellent. Liking the top of that. We've got the top of that done. Very, very nice. Hello, so we're on the 23rd of January here, and as you can see, the weather has been a disaster. This January has been the wettest that we've known for a long time. December was, November was, so it's not good for outdoor work. But as you can see with this patio here, it's been filled and it's been polished, so it's looking great. There's still certain, oh god, I almost bloody fell in. This has got to be finished down here and filled, but it's looking great. All nice and level there, look, on the step. All the tiling's gone in, as you can see. So we mark the steps, which is a safety thing to do. So, a lot of people don't do it. I like to do it. So of course where every step is, so you're not going to fall. What was it? All the other blue tiles have been done. This patio's been filled. There's the steps here, so they've got to still be finished. And then there's the trough with all the marmalene and the pipework, which I've got to connect the drains onto, which is fine. The steps here we've got to finish. As I say, today with the rain, it's not looking the best. Yeah, we've got the pumpkins, the toadstools, which they've got here, all sorted out. So that's all got to be done and finalised and finished. Hey John and Gillian, yeah, so the pool is filling, but as you can see, very, very slowly. It's just going to take a long time to fill this pool. Can't fill it any faster than we got water. At the moment things are looking okay, but it's going to take a while. We've got hoses running, we've got the water running through the... Okay, you can see they're polishing up the steps, John. This is the hand polisher, which runs on the 110 volt. but we need the big one, which is this machine here. As you can see, this is the big machine with the pad, which is going to polish all of the rest, and we need the 220 volt for this one, and we've checked it and tested it, but there's nothing coming, and it goes all the way down. They got the biggest extension lead you've ever seen. Yeah, the pool is almost full. We've just got to polish one of the edges. All the pumps are in and working. It's all good. Okay, so the guys, we finally got power up here. We've had to hire a generator because this house hasn't got mains electric, and the polishing machine is working, and we're polishing away all the terraces. As you can see, we're getting them all done. They look beautiful, very, very nice. I'm just here to fit the jets and do some bits and pieces on the pool, so we're going to continue to work. We've got a beautiful day today, nice blue skies. This house, although it's away from town, you know, the $1 million views here, look. So the guys are working. Hello, Jose.